Welcome drone pilots, welcome back. If you're new here, this is Neil J, and I came here today to fly my DJI Avata 2 with my new props, the HQ props, and also I upgraded my rates. They're much faster now than before, so I came to try see how it feels flying under the trees like I used to before. So welcome aboard, and let's go ahead and send it. So it's I came here, then it stopped raining, so it stopped raining right now. I'm gonna go ahead and try to do my video before the rain starts again. So I am go ahead and start recording. Go in manual, 30 degrees on the angle. Engine starts. Let's go. Now, like I said, I don't know if you hear this, but it's thunder right now. It's thundering. I probably have a few minutes before it starts raining, so I already came here and I just don't want to go home without making the video. So those are the HQ props with the new rates. This is all new to me. So I need some time to get used to it. And let's see how long it's gonna be before it starts raining again. Nice. Like I said, those are very fast rates that I'm playing with right now, and I need to get used to them. Ooh, licking the grass. Licking the grass. So I'm trying to get used to them. It's gonna take me some time, I know it does. But those rates are much faster than before. I'm not feeling them exactly faster right now because I played with the rates where I can do cinematic if I wanted to, and I can go really fast if I wanted to. So living the both worlds. Whoa, that was really close, man. Let's see if we can do this gap here. Yep. So my fingers are not used to them yet. When it starts raining, I can see a drop on the camera. Hopefully just a drop. Thunder. I need to go cut those hanging branches. It's too low over there. I seriously do. Running between the trees. That's where the real fun is. So after I change the props and I change my rates, it's literally like as if I just start flying manual mode. I gotta get used to these things here. They don't come naturally. You have to work on them, especially after you change your rates. Changing the rates make things much faster, and your fingers might not used to it. It takes time. Communication between your fingers and your brain. That's with the hanging branches low. Ooh, I have really literally licked that grass while I'm going. See another drop of rain. Show you how those rates work here. See how fast they are. Okay, the storm is over there. Look at these rates. I mean, I can go and go and go. It's crazy stuff. So even the splitters needs I need to refine it. Very responsive. It's not a joke. So raining, I see more drops. Very responsive, over responsive. That's why I need to try to make it easier on me. I can't be turning as hard like I used to. Oh, squirrel. Sorry, squirrel, don't mean to scare you. Yeah, they didn't drop already on the camera. I still have 6%, and then I'll bring it back. See how responsive it is? Let me show you. Living the two words, cinematic and freestyle. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, 38%, and usually about 40% when I start losing the throttle power. There's a storm. Here is the storm. All right, I'm gonna bring it back. Enough. doing that because my sunroof is open and it's thinking it still haven't touched down. I just closed my sunroof and it stopped. Okay, let me go ahead and get it.
I'm sorry you stopped again.
Okay, here it is, it's back. Those props are amazing. I just actually ordered 3 more of them. They're really amazing. I love them. And I love my new rates. I'm so excited about them. I'll be making a lot more videos, show you those rates and how fast this thing and cinematic can be at the same time. Well, appreciate you watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any question, leave it down below in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Goodbye.
Focus on melody.